Guys, we're discussing graphing. So the first thing I want to tell you is when you look at your sets like it is, this one we are required to graph a shape and then see what the shape looks like on a Cartesian plane. Right. So the first one is always going to be x and then y, x and y, x and y, because x comes before y in the alphabet. So we have to graph these coordinates onto the graph that I have on the board here. Let's start. So our first coordinate is x is 2 and y is 4. This here, the horizontal line, is the x-axis. This vertical line is the y-axis. It's always been like that. It will be like that. So we have our first coordinate, which is 2 and 4. So x is 2 and y is 4. This here, where x and 2 meets, is going to be our first point. Then we have x is 4. Then we go to x, which is 4. Here's the axis. And then y is 1, which means here, where they intersect, is going to be our next coordinate. Then we have x at 2 and y at -2. -2 is here. So there is y, -2. Then we have x at -2 and y at -2. So here, there's y at -2, here's x at -2. The place where they meet is where we put our coordinate. Then we have -4 on the x coordinate and 1 on the y coordinate. There it is. And then our last one is x at -2 and y at 4, which is over here. Right. So the y-axis, the ones going up are positive. The ones at the bottom of the 0 are negative. And then this is just a normal number line. Anything on the right side of the 0 are going to be our positives, and anything on the left side of our zeros are going to be, of our 0 is going to be negative. Now we connect the coordinates. So you can start at any place. I start here and I draw a line from this one to that, from this one to that, from this one to that. Here's another coordinate. I am bringing down the line. Here's another coordinate. These two dots connect, and there's another coordinate. Those two lines connect. There, I've drawn the shape according to the coordinates, and that is how you would draw coordinates on a Cartesian plane.